Gold investing. Gold price drop suddenly. Why? In this video, I'm gonna tell you 5 reasons that most people don't know. After watching this video until the end, you're gonna know my best gold buy target points. Welcome to World Traveling Millionaire Stock Investor and Option Trader channel. Where are you watching from? Comment down below. Gold price dropped below 5,000. So right now it's 4,670. So that's a big drop. And S&P 500 also dropped 1.51% today. And over the past 5 days, it dropped 2.52%. 1 month, 4.84%. Year to date, 5.13%. So we are in correction. Okay, so that's pretty serious right now. So could it get worse? Nasdaq 2.01% within 1 day. 5 days 3.1%, 1 month 4.23%, year to date 6.83%. We are in correction, but it's not as bad as last year, Liberation Day, April. Remember, it was even worse. But this is a slow band. So last year was really quick. And Dow Jones down 0.96%, and 5 days 2.42%, 1 month 6.61%, year to date 5.8%. This is also all the stock markets are in correction right now. But I made over 2,880, so about 3,000 within 1 day, April 19, March 19. So you don't need to have an up stock market to be making money all the time, right? You should be able to make money up or down or sideways, whatever the market is. If it's going down, put option is a good option. And also one of my advanced option is to sell call option, cover call. That's how you can be profitable during the down market. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 5 reasons. Okay, very important. Reason number 5: why short inflation? Because of the war in US-Israel Iran war. The Straits of Hormuz is closed. So basically, the oil prices has been going up like crazy. Oil is very important energy because it's used in transportation, right? Transportation is very important in delivery of the goods to you. You buy grocery. Of course, it was shipped by trucks, right? Transportation. So once the oil price goes up, the gas prices goes up, and all the other commodities or goods and services can go up because the ingredients important is energy. Energy price goes up and everything else goes up. So there is an inflation. So very important. When there's an inflation, what's going to happen next? Interest rate. The Federal Reserve may raise interest rate. That's what stock market is afraid. The gold market is very afraid. This is reason number 4. Jerome Powell came out on March 18. He talked about it. They want to keep the interest rate at between 2.55% to 3.75% at the conclusion of their March meeting. And they suggested there could be only one rate cut in 2026 compared to 3 rate cuts at the beginning of the year, right? So they changed. So that's why stock market went down, gold market went down. Gold is very sensitive to interest rate. If interest rates are going down, and gold prices are going up. If interest rates are going up, gold prices are going down. So at the opposite direction. So, and there are also 5 things that he talked about as well. There are lots of uncertainty, that the war is a problem, and cuts of timing coming, but the timing is not sure. They may cut middle of the year or maybe at the end of the year. Nobody knows. And Powers can be staying as a governor on the Federal Reserve chair board. And Powell rejects deflation. This is good news. This is good news. When depression happens, right? The inflation is up, the economy is going down, and people lose their job. It's very tough place for everybody to be in. If inflations are down, economy is down, it's easy. Federal Reserve, they just need to cut the interest rate. They just need to supply more money into the market. If inflation is up, economy is down. If we raise interest rate, inflation is going to be up. That's inflation is going to be down, but then people are going to lose more money. If they reduce the interest rate, inflation is going to be up. Right? So it's very dilemma, very difficult situation to maneuver. So this is very, very good news. That power rejects there is no sign of stagflation. But you know what? We just have to wait and see. If you want to learn more about gold investing, stock markets, stock investing, option trading, subscribe to this channel. Okay, reason number 3 is because US dollar has been going up. You can look at this, 99.5 right now. So the higher it going up. So when US dollar goes up, what happens? Gold price goes down because gold commodities are bought and sold in US dollars. When US dollar is going down, commodity prices are going up. When US dollars is going up, commodity prices are going down. So gold is one of the commodities. So gold price, silver prices, they go down. So these all reasons are very intertwined. And reason number 2, margin calls, right? When stock market is down, they need to cover their margins. So what would they do? Institutional investor, hedge fund, they have been holding gold and silver for a long time. Now they see that it's at the top. They want to sell gold and silver to make up for the margins, to prevent liquidation. And also very important, it's international gold buyers. They need to buy US dollar first before buying gold. So when US dollar, they are holding gold. When US dollar price is going up and their gold price is going down, what's going to happen? Oh, you know what? My holding is becoming worth less and less. I need to pay back my US dollar loan, so I need to sell my gold. So they sell the gold. So the selling becomes much more selling. So that's how it becomes gold price drops suddenly. Okay, this is reason number 2. Reason number 1 is rotation into energy. Once something has been going up, people want to get it. That's human nature. So they see gas prices are going up. They see the energy companies' stock prices are going up. You know what? I want to get it. So when war broke out, so they sold silver and gold. They use the money to buy into energy companies and wire. So that's what they have been doing. So these are the 5 reasons that most people don't know that push the price of the gold price down. Which one do you think is the most impactful? Comment down below. Welcome to your answer. I want to give it to you, my gift. My best gold buy point support level is 4,618. But you know what? What does it mean, the support level? Support level is usually when the buyer step in. When it reach that point, buyers are going to step in to buy because they think that it's a very low, it's a bottom. They step in. So it could be one of the best time to buy, but then support can be broken down. So when it breaks down below 4,618, there are a few more points below that. So if you want to learn more, I just posted on my patrons, Patreon members. Go and check out my best gold price buy points below for 2026. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.